What's up, everybody? It's Dave Drakes, and we are back for another build day. We got the parts in for the top end, so we're going to be redoing the top end. We're going to be doing a piston, some valve seals. I had to shim one intake valve or one side, so we're going to get that put in as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the first one, and of course, welcome back. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, not only the build series, but also our TCE interviews, our vlogs, the whole deal. And make sure you subscribe and share. So without further ado, let's get into it. Man, I love how new pistons look. Just super clean. It looks weird with a cleaned up cylinder, new piston, and then just ratty frame, beat up cases. Those are gonna look so much nicer, man. Just wait till it comes together. Those are the old valve seals. Not too bad, but it's always a good idea to change them. I always do them with every top end I change these guys. So it should go together fairly simple. Make sure I keep the camera on this time. Another thing is, I forgot to tell you guys is, we're gonna get this powder coated. Got some pricing, so it doesn't look like it's gonna be too bad. But for sure, triple clamps, hubs, rims, the frame, it's gonna be all done up. So I can't have a shiny motor and not have a shiny frame as well. Nice and shiny, cleaned up. Looking good. Absolutely love the way it's coming out. Now let's start with getting the valve springs in. Head is on. Getting ready to put the valve train up there so that we can start timing it. Gotta torque these guys down. Gotta check the manual for torque spec because that's different for every bike. And I think it's about 40 something or 30 something like that. And yeah, get on the way. You can see that. The difference in the case finish is so crazy, especially for the one that we went ahead and polished to the rest of it, and you can just tell the big difference there. It's a little crazy. So most of the work on this bike has actually been like cleaning up this like the old, I don't want to call it rust, but just like the finish damage, because it sat out for a while and wasn't really used that much. It just sat for a long time before, and then it's shinier, much better. There we go, much better looking. Both of these cam sprocket bolts were just torqued. A little bit of blue Loctite, same for the auto decompression as well. And now I'm just going to make sure that everything else, pretty much just cross the T's, dot the I's on this thing. Make sure we're all solid. New day, and we got the correct swing arm pivot bolt socket so that we can start tearing this apart. And I think we got one more set of bolts down there, and the motor can come out of the frame and we can start disassembling. So today, working on this right here, doing a little more polishing up of the motor. I know a lot of people are like, hey, why didn't you do this beforehand, split the cases? I didn't want to have to split the cases. Everything looks so good in there. I didn't want to break it down. You can kind of see where we're starting to just get these polished up a little bit nicer, a little bit better, and bring these cases back.